Show you how to make an origami bird. Let's start. Take a square sheet paper like this. Fold from this corner to this corner. Fold it into half. Fold from this corner to this corner. Fold it into half. Place your finger inside and pull this corner here like this. Repeat behind. Fold these two sides to the center. Again, turn it over and fold these two sides to the center. Fold this piece till here, like this. Unfold it. Unfold this fold here. Again, turn it over and unfold this fold. Fold your paper in this shape. Can you see the lines? Go along with these lines and form a shape like this. I repeat, fold your paper like this along with those lines and form a diamond-like shape. Now turn it over and fold your paper like this. Can you see this? Place your finger inside and open it like this. Here for the tail. This one for the front part. I hope you have understood till now. Your bird is almost ready. Place your finger inside and open it like this. This one is for the beak. Fold this piece like this. Again, turn it over and fold this piece till here like this. Make eyes for the bird. Your bird is ready. See how charming these birds are. This bird can also flap their wings when pulled from its tail like this. Can you see? The wings are flapping. Now I will show you how to make the bird fly. Hold it like this and pull the tail. Can you see? The wings are flapping up and down. It's very nice. Today we learned how to make a bird using simple origami steps. I hope you all had fun. Watch out this channel for more such creative fun. Please like, share, subscribe, comment and click the bell icon for notifications.
Create more, enjoy more, live more. Bye.